Alright, this is Scotty Blade Collectibles, and today we're going to be opening the brand new starter pack for this season's Match Attax 2024 collection. The Mega Multipack and the booster tin number 2. Hopefully we'll get a Relic inside, so fingers crossed for that one. Without any further ado, I'll just show you a couple of cards I have got from some of the packs I've opened already. Looking at the quality of the shield cards this season, and again, chrome shield cards, bang on point. Loving the new designs again. These are really good cards. Like as I said before, the good cards that Match Attax do are really good. Just sometimes might need, at least the new 100 clubs, sometimes might need a new mortgage if you're going to fill the collection. So without any further ado, let's get in to the start. Well, figured you might not want to watch me open that because that was very long. it took very long to get into it. There you go. That's everything out of it. All open. The right pack comes in like almost a box. So these are your limited edition cards and your tactics cards. These are your 2 packs that you get. Obviously this is your book showing you all what you can get, all the new cards for this season. Your checklist. Another bit of a checklist there as well, obviously. Your game, the mat, and your front cover. And as if by magic, that's the binder all put together. Anything on the side. I'm not going to spend too much time on the binder other than saying it's quite a big one. I'm not going to go through all your checklists and everything. There's plenty of other people that's done that. But I've got to say, impressed with the folder. It's quite a big one this time, but let's get into these packs then. Because I don't know, they're not like the first edition packs. You can get every card in these packs, so if anyone's collecting it, there's your code card. So we've got a Philip Max, Danilo Pereira, Jamie Bino Gittins, Federico Valverde, Cody Gakpo, Christian Eriksen, David Silva, Francesco Acerbi, the Barcelona badge, very nice, a bit shiny this year, aren't they? Guardian Gregor Corbell, Mather Max signature Alphonso Davies, and Heritage Kieran Trippier. Looking very nice indeed. That's Heritage card. Code card for anyone collecting them. So we've got a Yannick Carrasco, Fabian Ruiz, Thomas Muller, Lucas Paqueta, Riyad Mahrez, who's now in Saudi Arabia, Eric Garcia, Rui Silva, Rade Krunic, Andreas Ulmer, captain. These are just a bit shiny as well. Rodrigo Parallel, that's the crystal parallel. Battler Rodri, and next gen Benjamin Sesko. Now we'll get into the limited edition pack. That's exclusive app rewards card. You get there. Vinny Jr. Turbo Talent limited edition. You also get the Match Attax Heritage like 100 Club limited edition, which is very nice. And Erling Haaland Finest Footballer limited edition card. Again, another nice card. I say these come in the starter pack as well. I'll give you all the top cards already. Then you've got your injury card, your agent card, VAR card, and referee card. Yeah, so far, I'm impressed with the starter pack, I've got to say. Right, now, we'll get onto the tin, actually. A little bit of the tin. Now, like it says on the pack, you get all new Centurion and Relic cards inside lucky tins, and I think it's 1 in every 28. It tells you somewhere. I think it might be on the packs, actually, on the starter packs on the checklist. It will tell you. But let's get into this. Never have much luck getting into these. This is booster tin number 2. These are only the ones that they had in my local Sainsbury's. There you go. Artists of the game. So there's the 2 limited editions in each one of the booster tins. And we have... Oh! We've got 2 packs. Right. We'll leave that one till last. So we have got a Relic card. That's the first time I've ever got a Relic card. So I'm quite looking forward to seeing what that one is. I did cop lucky last season with quite a few autograph cards. Never have I got one of the Relic cards, so it's our first. Look at that one there, they are. The artist of the game, Zinedine Zidane. That is one fantastic looking card. Got to say, they've really upped the game this year, topped with the limited editions. And a Rafael Leao. They are 2 good cards. We've got your code card, and have we got, oh, we've got a shield as well. Nice one to get looking at then. So this has been a very, very good tin so far. So we've got David Silva, Moussa Diaby, Santiago Jimenez, Tuta, Mediterrame, João Mario, Nicola Barella, Rafael Leao, David Alaba, Nahul Molina, Marco Asensio, Minaj Kim, Jacob Murphy, Jack Grealish, Fabio Vieira, Dominic Szoboszlai, Sean Longstaff, Julian Alvarez, Ben White, Jamie Bino Gittins, Ansu Fati, Eduardo Camavinga, Ivan Provedel, Ismail Banassa, Emiliano Martinez, Todd Cantwell, Justin Bilgeau, Mario Götze, Borussia Dortmund badge, very nice, Nicholas Otamendi captain, RB Leipzig badge, Dusan Tadic captain, Battler Saleh Ozcan, Dortmund, playmaker Kevin De Bruyne, Battler Bruno Guimaraes, and a Marquinhos. Oh, there. A Marquinhos Pro Elite Shield. Looking up and down. Again, as I was showing you before, the shields are looking on point this year. Looking bang on. Very nice card indeed. The next card then was Jadon Sancho Crystal Parallel. Next gen Mohamed Ali Cho. Man of the match Paulo Dybala. And next gen Alvaro Rodriguez. And the Heritage Timo Werner. Now, just the tin, to be honest, were quite good, weren't it? Now let's see what we've got. It's a Real Madrid player. It's not numbered, I don't think. There's no number on the back. Quite a thick card as well. It's David Alaba, Centurion. Now that, again, got a credit tops. Such a nice card. The 100 plus apps there emblem as well. Really thick card. My first Relic or shirt card as well. And a good one to start with. So, again, well done tops. So we'll just go. So now we'll get on. Panic averted. That's a mega multi-packs thing you get. You pack your limited editions and you get 4 regular packs as well. So let's get into the regular packs. Hoping for a black edge. I'm not seeing them. Not got a black edge yet. There's your code card. So starting off with a Manuel Ugarte, Ryan Gravenberch, Alessio Romagnoli, Thomas Soucek, Nicholas Raskin, Kyle Walker, Fikayo Tomori, Antonio Colac, Paris Saint-Germain PSG badge, Sebastian Quartez, Crystal Parallel captain, Guardian Gregor Kobel, and next gen Julian Duranville. That's pack number 1. Can we get a shield in one of these as well? Let's number of shields up to 4. Oh, we might have got a black edge though. I've been looking forward to seeing a black edge, and that looks like a black card. So there's your code card. So, Charel Gertrude, Goncalo Ramos, Alex Grimaldo, Jorginho, Sandro Tonali, Aurelien Tchouameni, Brais Mendes, Paulinho, and I've got my first black edge card, and they've improved again, haven't they, from last year, I've got to say. The back's got all the stats on still, but yeah, I'd say the front design this year is actually even better. I like the gold top side as well. That is a bloody good card. Atletico Madrid badge, Alexander Isak finisher, and Jamie Carragher cult hero. Anyone who bought any of the first edition packs will know you get 2 cult heroes out of them, so you'll have lots of Xabi Alonso's and Jamie Carragher's. There's your code card. Anyone collected them, feel free to use them. Eva Nielsen, Emre Can, João Felix, Emiliano Martinez, Ibrahima Konate, Victor Lindelof, Hakan Çalhanoğlu, Nabil Fekir, Mikel Oyarzabal, captain, Guardian Thibaut Courtois, Federico Valverde, man of the match, and Alessandro Bastoni, heritage. So on to the last pack. There's your code card. So we've got Kevin Trapp, Owen Wijndal, Josko Gvardiol was now at Man City, Andreas Christensen, Reece Nelson, Jacob Murphy, Strahinja Pavlovic, Lille Abada, Marcus Edwards, Ruben Diaz captain, Battler Rodrigo, I missed one, and legendary moment Steven Gerrard. I know sometimes there's only 3 special cards, I think it says on the packs. Yep, 3 guaranteed, so that one only open a limited edition pack. Let's see what 2 limited editions we've got in here. So, one to the code card. There you go. So we have Pedri, limited edition. Nico Schotterberg, limited edition. I do like limited editions this year as well. In fact, I actually don't know when they change, I do like them. But yeah, there we go. Got to say, as openings go, we've got some bangers. Got some absolutely banging hits, haven't we? So we've got Marco Reus, Marquinhos Pro Elite Shield. Obviously, to top it all off, the David Alaba Centurion Relic card, which is extremely thick. A very, very nice card indeed. And then these 2 as well. I mean, the Zinedine Zidane Artist as a game card is such a nice card. I don't think it actually doing it any justice. You're putting it there. And the Rafael Leao as well. But yeah, all in all, another good opening. So let me know what you think of the new collection in the comments. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And I'll see you on the next one.